Good morning, class. So this is the part 2 of our discussion yesterday. We have discussed na po about the quality of life and awareness to political trends and issues, no? Kahapon. So today, we will be talking about naman of the aspects in the life of a media and information literate when it comes to economic opportunities and accessible learning opportunities. So class, being media and information literate can actually boost one chances in the job markets by because MIL helps one to access and interpret reliable information about a job opening, skill requirements, and even industry trends. So if one knows what is the trends in the industry right now, they will know the skill that they need to have for their job or to be um, updated, no, with the current skill requirement of the job that they want. Next, MIL also help us, or it can also help one to develop critical thinking and analytical skills, which is a very valuable skills or a, vel- a very valuable skill, uh, for the employers po. So, in the professional side of the world, no, or sabihin natin yung tinatawag natin na professional world, employers class value people who can think critically and analyze information, which is the very exact purpose of media and information literacy. Na I hope na-develop sa inyo through our questions, tests, chapter tests, and even activities po. And I'm proud to say naman no na nate-train na nga po kayo ng MIL to have these two skills or to develop these two skills, no? Next, MIL also helps one to understand how market work and how consumer behave or how consumers behave. Paano ba natin maunawaan yung market trends? By, of course, using our critical thinking and analytical skills. So, if one understands the market trends and consumer behavior, then one can adapt to job market changes and start ventures. So, ibig sabihin, pag naunawaan ng isang tao or ang isa sa buhay ng MIL person, nauunawaan nila ang takbo ng market or the market trends and how consumer behave. So, they can actually use that for business or for starting a business and other things related to entrepreneurship. Okay? They can also shift career or change their job, no? Because they know how the market works and how consumer behaves, no po? And lastly, MIL helps us or helps a person manage finances and investments wisely. So from budgeting, from daily budget, monthly budget, to actually making smart investment, MIL will help or will empower one to do this in a better way, no? If I'm not mistaken, nabanggit ko na to before, itong manage finances and investments wisely. Parte siya ng discussion kahapon. Okay? So, these two will actually lead to financial stability in the future. So, kung makikita natin, no, itong mga puntos na to are the advantages of being a media and information literate person when it comes to economic opportunities. Now, let's talk about the other point, no? Okay, so media and information literacy also makes learning more accessible for everyone. So we have discussed about having massive open online courses and open educational resources na po ngayon. And that those two are the emerging trends in media and information. Okay? So MIL will help us or will allow us to find, evaluate, and use digital information properly. Not just to rely on what appears online. Meaning, ang buhay ng isang MIL person or sa buhay ng MIL person, hindi sila nagre-rely lang palagi sa kung ano lang ang nakikita nila online or for the first time. Okay? They will conduct in-depth research and analyze every perspective that they will see. They will do cross-checking and evaluate each information and sources before consuming the information. Kung pakikinggan nyo sa sinasabi ko, ang daming kailangang steps bago mag-consume ng information. Pero ito lang yung pinaka-pinupunto, class. Ang isang MIL na tao, hindi basta-bastang naniniwala sa kung ano lang or kung ano ang nakikita nila online. Yun lang naman ang pinaka-pinupunto, no? Next, MIL also promote continuous learning through digital media because now there are lots of online courses, tutorials, and even virtual simulations. That's why information is very accessible, open, and free na po online. So every one of us can continue learning anytime and anywhere. Kaya naman yung mga hindi natin natututunan sa school or yung mga hindi na ituturo sa school, maaari nating matutunan, no? Online po. I hope that is clear, no? Ibig sabihin po, bilang MIL or sa buhay ng isang MIL na tao, hindi lang sila magre-rely lang sa kung ano ang tinuturo sa school. They will also learn something anytime and anywhere from the available massive open online courses and tutorials online. Okay? So, hindi lang tayo matututo, we will also promote these online courses, tutorials, and even virtual simulations to everyone. Next class, MIL also allows us to collaborate using online tools and discussion. Empowers us pala. MIL empowers collaboration using online tools and discussion. So with the digital tools that we have right now, class, like yung Canva and Padlet, collaboration is very easy na po. We also have online meeting, o yung tinatawag natin Google Meet, no? That we can use for discussion. So, kayong mga estudyante, for example, you can share your ideas and work on your projects together using online platforms and discuss with one another even if you are far apart from one another. MIL also empowers learning without geographical barriers. Ibig sabihin, yung mga online courses na originated sa ibang bansa, we can access it through the internet kahit na nandito tayo sa Pilipinas. So, we can learn without geographical barriers. Unlike sa pag-attend sa physical school or physical review center, may mga geographical barriers, 'di ba? Like for example, if ikaw ay naka-enroll sa London, doon ka pumapasok, no? Tapos sa Pilipinas ka nakatira, napakalaki ng geographical barrier doon, no? So, kidding aside, with the current digital tools that we can learn again without geographical barrier. MIL also empowers an experience with flexible and interactive learning. So, flexible in a way that we can access it anytime and anywhere. Interactive in a way that using online platforms like Kahoot for a much more interactive learning inside the classroom. Last, build digital literacy for modern workplace. So, this kind of learning class, no, helps prepare us for, or prepare you pala, for a world where technology and digital tools are part of every job. Kaya naman, having digital literacy is a need for you to have, no, for your future career. Ma'am, ano po yung digital literacy? Ito po yung ating media and information literacy. Okay, isa na yung part ng digital literacy, or MIL na mismo yung nagde-develop nito sa inyo. Kasi kapag sinabing digital literacy, ito yung marunong kang mag-computer, cellphone, mag-access ng iba't ibang platform, alam mo kung saan makikita yung mga information kagaya ng mga produkto. Syempre, pupunta ka sa Lazada, Shopee, mga ganyan. Kumbaga, you know how to use technology properly. You know how to use digital technologies properly. And that is digital literacy class. Na, of course, binibuild ni MIL sa inyo for your future career. So, the more digitally literate you are, the more adaptable and competitive you become in your future career. But then, class, everyone can be everyone can be digitally literate, but not everyone can be media and information literate. Babalik ulit tayo sa dalawang word. Think critically. If someone who can use computer properly is not thinking critically, then that someone is digitally literate but not media and information literate person. Okay? So, to end this lesson, class, so to summarize, class, no, being media and information literate doesn't just mean knowing how to use technology. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, being media and information literate means using the technology and information and the media wisely by thinking critically. So MIL help us grow in our careers, make informed financial decisions, and continue learning throughout our lives. In today's digital world, class, being adaptable and informed give us a strong advantage for success. But it's not really about just, no, being adaptable and informed. Babalik ulit tayo again sa dalawang salita, and that is to think critically. So meaning, in today's digital world, thinking critically, adapting, and being informed give us a very strong advantage for our success, especially in your future success po. Okay? Maaring career man yan, education, or even love life class. Thinking critically is a must for every decision that we will be making in the future. And that is the life of a media and information literate person. I hope you have learned a lot in this subject class. Sobrang dami ng ating lesson, sobrang dami ng ating topic, pero iisa lang naman ang pinaka ini-aim ni media and information literacy. And that is for you to develop your critical thinking skills. Because having this skill class will allow you to be adaptable of change, to be informed, to discern facts from bluffs, and to make a well-informed decisions in your life. Okay? So, that's all for today, class. Paki-check na lamang yung another message ko or another instruction for your activity. Have a nice day ahead and God bless us all.